Well, first of all, let me say that we are here after 4 years, which is a great good news, let me say, for the industry, for ourselves as a citizen, but also for the industry, because Europe has been very strongly slowed down. And it is quite nice to hear the industry with the news, with desire of activity and desire of be motivated in doing new things. Well, here we show what is our normal standard product, but also some new stuff that have been dedicated to this market changement that we have to support. For instance, we are exhibiting a new vane pump, which is quite new for us, because we have been producing gear pumps as well as piston pumps, but never vane pump, and this is due to noisy, because the vehicles have to have emission of noise always lower. Then we have also a system which is for a half hybrid vehicle, you may say, made by our own power takeoff to generate power.
You mean the electricity?
Yes, and let the pump drive motors to drive also the vehicle at a slow speed.
It won't take the power from the engine, basically.
Yes. No, it will take the power from the engine, but it will generate then hydraulic power. This is also something new, because we have to understand that the truck industry in reality right now, especially in Europe, don't have a real direction. There are a lot of possibilities. We are in a transition moment, and within this transition moment, we don't know exactly what it will be the future. Our market, it is globally splitted, not 50-50, but splitted for the moment with a relatively small percentage in OEM. When I say OEM, I mean truck manufacturer, okay, directly supplied on assembly line by us, and the aftermarket. The market is of course different in between the two segments, and that portion that is developed within the OEM, it is mainly addressed to a certain specific standard application, whether the more specialist, difficult, tailor-made solutions will be made directly by us. Mining segment, within this moment, it is quite in movement, let's say. Also agricultural, but we do not have an enormous presence in agricultural. Actually, we have an entire segment as IPH, which is the pump, power takeoff, cylinder for tippers manufacturer. Okay. With the exception of the almost semi-hybrid version, which is quite sophisticated, and is also very, very seldom, it is still a concept, it is very seldom sold here. The classic normal system, power takeoff with the gear pump, with the piston pump, and usual wet kit system, we already produce 100% local in India. We do not import in India anything that we are selling over there. It's 100% manufactured in India using Indian local suppliers, Indian laborers, Indian facilities. For the Indian market, we have a department, specific department within our company, which is covering almost all India, also using a local engineer in every state, each and every state, and we also have dealers, not only ourselves but also dealers. It depends on which size or in which part of the world, because as probably you know, we have facilities in India, we have facilities in China, we have facilities in South America and Brazil, and we have facilities in North America as well as in Europe. Certainly, according to the today developments throughout the world, situations are different in different areas. But all together, we wish that certain effects, such as the today local war that we are facing and others, will probably, with a good sense of people, be minimized, and the market start to move, because today we are subjected to quite high demand, but not the same output. It is possible because difficulties in finding raw material, not only raw material, also components, difficulties for transport, cost of transport, energy, quite difficult, very difficult.
So overall, in medium to long term, you see growth potential with the
Yes, I see growth and potential. I am very confident that 2023, especially in India, for whatever is concerned your own readers as well as market, it will be a great year. Actually, we budget, for instance, we are in the process of finish our budget for 2023 conventional European standard financial year, a growth of 15 to 20%.